How to enable a disabled app on Android. Welcome to another Android tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable an app that's been disabled. So if you disable an app and you want to enable it so you can use it. Again, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so real quick, I'm just going to disable Google Chrome as an example by finding Google Chrome in the list of apps here, long pressing and going to app info and then selecting disable and confirming I want to disable the app. So now Google Chrome will no longer show up in the list of apps. In order to re-enable Google Chrome or any app that's been disabled, all I need to do is open up the settings on my Android phone once in settings, then select apps or something like apps at the very top. Select see all apps, then once all apps come up, you can either find the app in the list of apps or you can select a little drop down at the top that says all apps and go to disabled apps from there. Select the app that's been disabled, and then all we need to do is select enable, and then that app has now been enabled and I can find it in the list of apps and open up. All right, so that's how you enable a disabled app on Android phone or tablet. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel Tech Vibe for more GAD reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.